Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone. My name is Mohd Herry bin Bahador from University Technology Petronas UTP. Are going to present about technology innovation towards sustainable growth of SME, small medium enterprise aftermath COVID-19 pandemics. The overview of this paper is where to highlight the importance of the SME toward the economic growth for the developing nation. Due to the major segment of commercial activity that are conducted by SME, the COVID-19 pandemic have severely affected supply and demand for SME as a result of worldwide lockdown and restriction policies implemented in the effort to curb the outbreak of the virus. This restriction, including the temporary closure of physical businesses and limited to the travel, and have a significant consequences toward sustainability in the growth of the SME itself. Therefore, SMEs have to look for the other opportunities in order to sustain on its business operation and even to ensure they are competitively advantaged in the market. Therefore, the adoption of technological innovation model for SME is very crucial in ensuring the business are sustained. So there are three main adoption of the information system or the technological innovation model or the tools that might be appropriate for the business, especially for the SME. The first is the internet and the web, the second a big data analysis, and the third is artificial intelligence. So moving toward, as we know that the COVID-19 pandemic started with from the China. Reported is about 80,000 cases where the people are affected with the coronavirus. Okay. In 11 March 2020, the World Health Organization announced that the COVID-19 is considered as a worldwide pandemic. As a result, in 24 June 2020, it will give a big implication to the GDP for the businesses. This is the significant where the country is highly contributed, especially for the nation country, is backed by the SME. The IMS World Economic Outlook released and predicted in 24 June 2020 is about 4.9% deterioration in the worldwide GDP for that particular year. And this is open for the risk for the business to ensure its sustainability and survival in the market. The novel coronavirus also gave a spark tremendous pressure in the SME in the effort to endure the new challenges brought by the outbreak of the COVID-19. The pandemic triggers several shifts in the business environment, which forced a firm to adapt to extensively to the digital platform and cope with the stricter time pressure. Therefore, digital technologies or the technological innovation is one of the mechanisms that can offer the organization opportunities to evolve into other business models efficiently and effectively. This problem requires long-term solution, and digital technology offer the organization opportunities. As such, digital technology tools are considered to be appropriate solution to the challenges and changes brought on by the global consequences, the pandemics. The purpose of this study is to provide a conceptual framework that illustrates the adoption of the technology innovation among SME in a manner which contribute to their sustainable growth and survival. This state of a new normal has prompted transformation in business operation strategies and behavior for SME that must be identified and apply solutions to evolve along with the challenges that have emerged in the new environment. The pandemic has given SME avenue to tackle issues which have complicated the process of adopting a new technology. A major change that has already occurred is the transition to the online businesses operation by SME around the world as a response to the consumer choices during the global lockdown and movement restriction order. Here there are some variables in order to assist or providing the guidance for the SME in gaining a competitive advantage toward its business operation to ensure they are remain sustained and also survive against with their rivals. The first one is the technology innovation, internet and web. The widespread accessibility of wireless local area network and personal mobile devices has also considerably decreased the effort and expense needed to ensure the internet connection to mobile device. So although the internet has established a fresh landscape for the Malaysian business for many years, small medium enterprises SME have not been as quick or comprehensive in adopting web technologies. So that SME anticipated various challenges involved in implementing tools into their business model, including expense, the potential risk, the complexity processes, technical expectation, and even the change in the customer service norm. The internet has allowed for the expansion in the infrastructure for digital communication and enable contacts between the people and machine worldwide throughout universal interface and the platform. Such development have a significantly impacts norm in the technology and business and offer various advantages and avenues which include the greater consumer value and a predictive maintenance capacity. However, it must be noted that without the internet, many of these tools and a program will compel to function individually or not at all, resulting in major restriction to the possibilities created by digital integration and communication. The second variables that has been to address in this study is on the technological innovation on the big data and analysis. The big data analysis is a tool which applies to derive economic value from vast collection of the various data through the use of the highly velocity capture and discovery and subsequent analysis. Data obtained from social network platforms that are typical form of a big data. Analysis of this data will support after-sales customer service, which is innovative and tailored to their customer needs, as well as a review feedback related to the improved marketing and design. So this is supported by the literature is where there is an increasing pressure to the place emphasis on the data mining and other BI business intelligence in order to maintain competitiveness in the global market and ensuring the capacity to make the swift decision making processes in response to the current data. The third one is the technological innovation, which is the artificial intelligence. The capacity of a piece of technology to learn, reason, and apply self-correction and its function on the basis of the intelligent information and knowledge approaches are important for the adoption of the AI in the business. AI encompasses the capacity of piece of technology to learn, reason, and apply self-corrections. In addition, another relevant field is that of the cyber-physical equivalent. This to attempt to provide a solution toward the use of the speedy 3D capture technology to obtain information on moving item or articulated mechanical process and subsequently project this information in 3D form in a virtual context that enable more efficient task planning among enterprises. The tools and others which incorporate augmented and virtual reality and digital twinning can be employed across many applications with the aim of obtaining data from the sensors for the purpose of visualizations. The next is on the actual system use. The actual system use refers to the physical uses of the technological tool system and also measures the regularity of the use of that tool. And this is explained the concept of an external psychomotor responsiveness that reflects in the real-time frequency of use of technology. This measurement incorporates both of the frequency and the period of time that the technology is put into use. Therefore, this literature has proved that perceived usefulness is a reliance on a range of 45 relationships among dependent variables, which are actual usage behavior and intention to use. Similarly, a direct relationship between behavioral intention and the actual use of the tool or system must be taken into account. The method of this study is more on the conceptual reviews on the technological innovation through the lens of several independent variables, which are smart tools that comprising of the internet, artificial intelligence, and the big data, and how these elements contribute to the sustainable development of SME entities. The comprehensive literature in these previous sections has been applied the creation of the conceptual framework for the research and proposed as follows. So this is an illustration on the technological innovation towards sustainable growth of the small medium enterprise aftermath COVID-19 pandemic. So the independent variable on this result finding, which is a framework that we providing to assist the SME in helping them to have a good in terms of sustainable growth and survival. The first is looking in terms of the Internet of Things, big data analysis, and artificial intelligence. So there are influence, which is the actual system use, which is the adoption of the system itself, is where the perceived usefulness of the system to reflects to the sustainable growth of the SME. In conclusion, the adoption of digital technology has provided a wealth of new alternative avenues for the business, especially the SME, in particularly that include unmanned delivery service, online classes, and online works. Moreover, digital technology can offer of a decentralized quality which overcome barriers of the time and the location, besides allowing for the stronger engagement between firms and their fellows, value creator, and leading to the better network process. Therefore, technological innovation tool that highlighted earlier, which is the systematic tools that is in assisting the SME like internet, big data analysis, and AI, which can be incorporated into the daily function of an SME. These type of digital technology are able to be programmed, trace, communicate with, address, and even to integrate it with the system. Therefore, with a comprehensive framework, it